I would like to introduce an innovative device called MorSafe, which is a tissue isolation bag for isolating tissue during power morcellation. MorSafe is introduced inside the introducer like this. Only small part of MorSafe is introduced inside the introducer. Side trocar is removed and the incision is increased to 15 millimeters. Through the side incision or through the suprapubic incision, MorSafe is introduced in the abdominal cavity. A blunt grasper is used to grasp the edge of the MorSafe. The introducer is then pulled out and discarded. MorSafe is then pulled in the abdominal cavity and dropped completely inside the abdomen. It can be pulled through the use of blunt grasper or can be pushed from outside. The side trocar is re-established and another blunt grasper is introduced through the side trocar. The MorSafe bag has got a wire ring which helps it to open it. The tissue is then put inside the MorSafe bag. The print side is the inside of the bag and non-print side is outside of the bag. The tissue is then partly put inside the MorSafe bag. MorSafe bag is then taken out from the large port. Camera can be shifted from the umbilical port to the side port and a grasper is then introduced through the umbilical port. The tail of the bag is then grabbed with automatic grasper and removed from the umbilical port. It is ensured that there are no twists on the bag, and if there is a twist, the bag is then rotated to ensure there is no twist. Through a small port, a blunt trocar is introduced. Gas is then insufflated using this trocar inside the bag. Through the side port, versator tissue morcellator is inserted. The obturator is then removed. This way, the tissue is entirely isolated from the other abdominal organs and morcellation happens inside the bag. After the procedure, the morcellator is removed, trocar is removed, the bag is pulled slightly and a knot is tied on the bag, ensuring that the knot is tied below the blue ring. The knot is made tight and then pushed inside the abdomen. And then the MorSafe is removed from the side port. In this way, the entire morcellation happens without any risk of dissemination of the tissue inside the abdominal cavity.